Students, today we are going to start our next chapter, which is light. In this world, we usually see a variety of objects. Sometimes we are unable to see anything in a dark room, but on lighting up the room, we are able to see the things in the room. Since it is an obvious question arising that what makes things visible, so its answer is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects from where it comes or reflected. We can detect light with our eyes, light traveling along a straight line. By seeing the phenomena around us, like a beam of sunlight enters the room through a narrow opening or a hole, and beams of light coming out from the headlamps of cars, scooters, engine, torch, etc. From the above examples, we can conclude that light travels along a straight line. Reflection of light. There are some certain situations in which a mirror or shiny surfaces like stainless steel plate, shining steel spoon act as a mirror, can change the direction of light that falls on it. So this process of change in direction of light by a mirror is called a reflection of light. The surface of the water can also act as a mirror and can also change the path of light, and that is why we see the reflection of trees or buildings in the water. Image of an object. Generally, when we look into a mirror, then we see our face. Actually, what we see in the mirror, it is exactly a reflection of our face. Hence, it is known as an image of our face. In this case, our face is the object, and what we see in the mirror is its image. The image of our face seen in the mirror is formed where light rays, after reflection from the mirror, seems to originate from. The image of our face appears to be situated behind the mirror. There are two types of images. Real image. It is an image which can be obtained on a screen. Example, the image formed on the cinema screen when the light rays coming from an object actually meet at a point after reflection from the mirror. Then it results in the formation of real image. Virtual image. It is an image which cannot be obtained on a screen. Example, image formed by a plane mirror. Then the light rays coming from an object appear to meet after reflection from the mirror. Then it results in the formation of virtual image. It is not possible to form a virtual image on screen because light rays actually do not pass on the screen and cannot be received on a screen. Characteristics of the images formed by plane mirror. Now we will describe the various characteristics of the image formed in a plane mirror by taking the example of the image of the candle. When we see the mirror, the image of candle appears to be formed behind the mirror. Now put a vertical screen behind the plane mirror where the image of candle appears to be situated. Then we'll notice that the image of candle cannot be formed on screen. Even if the screen is placed in front of the plane mirror, then the image of candle cannot be formed on the screen. Since the image of candle formed in the plane mirror cannot be formed on a screen, which means that the image of candle in the plane mirror is a virtual image. If we see the figure, then we'll find that the length and breadth of the image of the candle and its flame is to be the same as that of original candle and its flame. The image of candle in the plane mirror is of the same size as original candle. Also, if we see the figure, then we'll find that the candle has a flame at the top and the image of the candle also has a flame at the top. So the top of the candle remains at the top of the image. Therefore, the image formed by a plane mirror is erect. Side inversion, right or left. When we see our image in a plane mirror, it is exactly like us. There is an interesting difference between us and our image. Let us find out the difference with the help of an example. If we stand in front of a plane mirror and lift to our right hand, then we'll see our image lift its left hand, and we'll lift to our left hand and the image appears to it lifts its right hand. This means that the right side of our body becomes the left side, and in the while the left side becomes the right side in image. It appears as if our image has been reversed sideways with respect to our body. The effect of reversing the sides of an object and its image is called lateral inversion. Okay, so we can say that image formed by in a plane mirror is laterally inverted. So we can understand why the word ambulance is written as you can see it is written according to that. Okay, when a driver of a vehicle ahead of an ambulance look in his rear view mirror, then she can read ambulance written on it and give way to it. So it is the duty of every one of us to allow an ambulance to pass without blocking its way. Students, today we are going to start our next chapter, which is light.